Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can easily uninstall apps and programs in Windows 11. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Geek Uninstaller. From the search results, go to the specific web page. Click on download from here. Click on zip and download the file. Once downloaded, simply extract the contents of the file. Now right click over the program and run it as administrator. Once the program launches, it will list all the softwares installed on your PC. Simply right click over it and click on uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall it. Now the best part of the software is that it scans for all the leftover registries which normal Windows uninstallation cannot do. Now if you go to the View tab, you can click on Windows Apps. That will list all the Windows apps installed on your PC. So in the same fashion, you can uninstall them and clear a lot of space on your PC. You can also change the language from here as per your preference. So use this tool to uninstall apps and keep your PC in top shape. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.